This video explains how you can add the different app tabs in Microsoft Teams. You can see I have already added Excel tab, and the same way you can add other tabs as well. So let me explain you how to do that. So for that you have to click on plus button, and then you can see that there are different types of apps that you can add in the form of tabs. For example, let us say you want to add the Words tab so that you can view the Word documents right within Teams. Then you can click on Word, and then you can see that this save button is disabled. The reason why this button is disabled because we haven't uploaded any Word document yet. So what you have to do is we have to first of all upload the document, and then you have to click on plus button. So just upload the Word document. For example, I'm going to upload one document here from my computer. Let us say this one. Once the document is uploaded, now if you go to plus button here, you can go to Microsoft Word, and you can see it shows that document that we have uploaded. Then you can click on save, and then you should be able to see that document right in the Microsoft Teams. Right now I can't show you that Word document because it contains some sensitive data, so I'm showing you this Excel document that I have uploaded here. And same way you can upload other documents, for example planner. Again, this is save button is disabled, but you can create a new plan, say plan 2, and then click on save, and you will see that the planner is added there now. There. So here you can add the new items, you can add new buckets right from this Teams. So basically you can integrate it with all any app. Here you can see there are lots of apps there. My favorites are Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, PDF, because we can see the documents right within Teams. You don't need to leave the Teams app. So that is how you can customize your Teams app as well. Thanks for watching this video.